Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to merge row and column in your MS Excel file with your keyboard shortcut key. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to merge row and column in your MS Excel file with keyboard shortcut key, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. First, you have to select the row and column which you have to merge. After that, you have to press Alt plus HMC. You have to just hold it, Alt HMC. You can see the row and column has been merged with your keyboard shortcut key. Suppose if you want to unmerge or remove this merge of row and column, then you have to press same Alt HMC. You can see the merge section of row and column has been removed. That's it guys. So in this way you can merge row and column with your keyboard shortcut key in your MS Excel file. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.